Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hello world, I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is the Laurene Daily Report, or TLDR for short, your daily dose of geek news, gadget views, and answers that you can use. Like an answer to the question, how do I get free cloud storage? It's real easy. Head over to go.tagjag.com/copy, and since yesterday, I've earned 5.7 terabytes worth of free data. Go.tagjag.com/copy. The link is in this video's description for you to click on or tap on, and if you use my link, you get a bonus 5 gigabytes. I get a bonus 5 gigabytes because you start out with 20 gigabytes. But if you refer friends, you can get terabytes upon terabytes for free. If that's not a Dropbox killer, because it has software available for pretty much every popular platform out there today, I don't know what is. Give it a shot. Go.tagjag.com/copy. In fact, it's got me thinking that I may never use Dropbox again. Of course, that may be the beer talking. I've got myself a Dragon Porter. Can't say I'm a fan of this one. Or you may be looking for an answer to the question, how do I carry around cables without making a mess of my pocket? What about the charge card? Look how thin that sucker is. You can't even see it. I know, you can still see it. I'm just saying that it's thin, skinny. Certainly skinnier than me. Which would you rather deal with, this or this? I'm reading this note from Noah, and he tells me this is one of the very first 50 production units that they've made. Thanks, Noah. For more information, check out chargecardproject.com. The Laurene Daily Report is brought to you by GoToMeeting with HD Faces, the way I meet with my team online. With GoToMeeting by Citrix, you can share the same screen so you stay on the same page. And HD Video makes it like being in the same room. Just turn on your webcam. Launch or join a meeting using your computer, phone, or tablet. Even present from your iPad. I use GoToMeeting on a regular basis to meet with people instead of bringing them to my house. Since I work at home, it's just far more convenient to meet with them here rather than where they happen to be physically. So, you can try GoToMeeting free for 30 days. Head over to GoToMeeting.com, click the try it free button, and use the promo code Pirillo. Why was I holding up this box a few seconds ago? I'm glad you didn't ask. One of you will get a Logitech B525 HD webcam here, and the opportunity to have a 30-minute face-to-face GoToMeeting with me that'll also be shared in this YouTube channel. All you have to do to enter is to tell me what you would like to meet about in our HD Faces GoToMeeting together, and to qualify, all you need to do is tweet what you would like to meet about on Twitter, of course, that's where you tweet, using the hashtags Pirillo webcam and GoToMeeting. That's what you need to do to qualify. I hate iTunes. I've always hated iTunes. I've never liked it. And I know many of you use iTunes to manage your music, but have you ever seen iTunes kind of get messed up with your music library? You kind of wish there was an easier way to clean up iTunes? Well, there is software that is available, and I can get it to you at an 83% discount. Instead of paying $25 for an iTunes cleaner to clean up your iTunes music library if you use it, it's available for you right now for $5. According to our guest blogger on LaureneDaily.com, Netflix CEO Reed Hastings is winning the new media battle. And I would have to agree with this post because I reactivated my Netflix subscription a few weeks ago to be able to watch House of Cards. I don't regret it. It's just that I haven't really watched Netflix since then. Although, Arrested Development, that's coming back only on Netflix, so I'm kind of excited about that too. Yay, Netflix! Hey, do you still have a Netflix subscription? If so, did you keep the disc version of the subscription in combo with the online on-demand version? I only have that side. I don't rent discs through Netflix anymore because inevitably I would forget to return them. Not to mention, I already own the best discs on the planet. And look what I found! A Star Trek Enterprise plushie! There's Klingons on the starboard bow, starboard bow, starboard bow. There's Klingons on the starboard bow. Scrape them off, Jim! Live long and purchase that on Amazon. The link is in this video's description. Very logical. Oh, you were looking for something a bit more practical? Okay, fine. We've got the free guide on how to speed up Windows also available for you. And it's free. Instead, gaze your eyes upon bacon earrings, which I shared on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter last night. I got something else in the mail today. LAT keys. Stickers for a keyboard specifically for people who use either Sony Vegas or Apple's Final Cut Pro. And if you're still using the mouse to point and click or your touchpad or trackpad, try using the keyboard. There are more keyboard shortcuts in OS X than there are in Windows, and I know from experience. Thanks to LatKey for sending the stickers along, plus a picture of this woman. According to reports from I/O 2013, Google engineers are saying they're trying to fix Android fragmentation. See? I told you it existed! Don't you love talking to people who once denied it and then, of course, forgot the fact that they denied it and you were telling them all along that it existed? It exists! Tim Cook says that the US-made Mac will be a new model in an existing family. Could it be the Mac Pro that we've been waiting for? Come on, Tim. You gotta do something with the Mac Pro. Throw us a bone. I know, desktops really aren't selling well anymore. It's not your fault. There's nothing wrong with an iMac. I'm just saying that I want something with a bit more power and the ability to run OS X legally. Because with OS X, in conjunction with Parallels, I can run Windows and Linux side by side. Our question of the day is brought to you by GoDaddy.com. If you want to save money on your next purchase, just email me first, chris@Pirillo.com. I will email you my latest list of coupons. Here's a question I get asked very frequently. Hey Chris, how do you get free stuff all the time? Today, as a matter of fact, I got these two $50 Starbucks gift cards for free for using go.tagjag.com/nextdoor. And the person who signs up and gets their neighborhood to join their Nextdoor community, they got a $50 Starbucks gift card too. $50 Starbucks gift card for free. You'd rather have free iTunes gift cards? Okay. Go.tagjag.com/free points. It's a free app you can install on your iOS device, download sponsored apps through it, and earn points that you can then exchange for free iTunes gift cards, or money directly from PayPal, or free applications, or Amazon gift cards. Go.tagjag.com/free points. But you gotta use that link for me to get credit for the referral. I have enough points right now to exchange for $1,000 from PayPal? Really, that's awesome. You might be wondering how I get people to send me other free stuff, like the products I showed you in today's video. Well, it's because I do a lot of videos on a regular basis. You gotta do a lot and give away a lot to get something in return. Like this video. It was free. You watched it and it didn't cost you anything other than time. And hopefully you got something out of it, enough to like and share it with all of your friends. I really appreciate the fact that you appreciate what I do for you every single day. So thank you for following me here and on every other social network on the planet and the moon. Well, see you later.